Welcome everyone. This is a brief demonstration on how to log in and help out your student through the McGraw-Hill website. So the first thing to do is make sure you go to my.mheducation.com. That'll take you to the login and have your student's username and password. That you can obtain from your school district or your teacher. You may also have a single sign-in with your school district, and so if you do, you just look for the little McGraw-Hill icon and simply click on that. That'll take you here to the course that your student's enrolled in. Now, keep in mind here that I'm enrolled into a math course. Your student may have several courses from McGraw-Hill, including their science or their social studies as well. So whatever course that you want them to log in, I'm going to log into the math and hit launch. And there's several ways that you can help your student out here. Your teacher may have made assignments. So if they did, it'll be on their calendar right here, and they can simply click from there. You can also go on the left-hand side here, you see the assignments tab. And that'll take you to their assignments. And so you can simply click on it, and that'll take them there, that they can do their assignments that way as well. And I'll just click on one real quick to give you guys an idea. You'll click on it. It'll take you to the assignment. It'll give you some instructions and then simply just start the assignment. So students will have access that way. Also, I'm going to go back up to dashboard. That's going to take me to my login or my home screen right here. And I want to share with you that on the right-hand side, you've got some additional resources, including the Desmos Graphing and Scientific Calculator, as well as your student ebook. So if your student doesn't have their paper copy of their print book at home, here is a copy of their book that they can go in and simply go to whatever chapter, module they were in, and simply click on it and go to whatever lesson that they're there. Now, another helpful hint here is up here in the top right hand corner. You might want to open this in full screen, or you might want to open in a new tab. So that way you can keep your book open as well as your dashboard. So that's always good, and that way the student can refer back and forth to it. So they can refer, so here it is opened in a different dashboard, so they can go to it that way and toggle between. Now, other key resources here is that if you go to browse your course, and maybe your teacher tells you just to work in Module 1. If I go to the beginning of Module 1, they'll have a few resources here, such under Review and Assess will be my personal tutors, which these are interactive, they're whiteboard examples from veteran teachers. And you'll see that for each and every lesson, you'll have your personal tutors. So these are great whiteboard examples that mimic the examples your students find in their textbook. Also under Launch, here's a quick little video about ratios and proportions and applying it to real-world situations. From here, I'm going to use this drop-down menu and go to a particular lesson. Now, at a particular lesson level, your students will have a launch video about that particular lesson. They'll also be explore and develop. So this will give students a chance to tinker with the mathematics here under explore. This is where learn. This explains the step-by-step concept being taught, as well as examples and additional examples. Now this example here is the exact same example that's in their print book. So if they have their print book with them, they can look at the example in print as well as here digitally. And remember, if I opened it up in another page, these same learns and examples are there. They're a little more interactive here. From there, you'll also have reflect and practice. And once again, you'll be able to find those personal tutors that I just shared with you at the module level. They're also here at the lesson level for you. So just a quick video on a few key pieces that you can help your students with. Remember, log in either using their username and password, or if you're on a district portal, look for the McGraw-Hill logo. From there, you could also look and see if your students have assignments or if they're on the dashboard. And last but not least, just toggle through right here on where you want to browse in your resources. And that'll get you to any particular module as well as any particular lesson that your student may have been assigned. And finally, the ebook. Thank you for your time today. Please reach out to our website as we will continue to have updates there.